Hey guys, in today's video, I'm just gonna be playing some construction site for fun. So let's get on to the video.
Oh, hey.
Bye. Go get him, you're not bad. Well, you really have to use a pistol to get there.
Are you talking to me?
So fly.
Bro, please, I want to do my 3 minutes quest. Oh,
Here, go run. You got
oh my
this.
god.
Bye.
I'm actually bad.
Yeah, you're so bad.
Don't be bad, man. You're
Shut
good.
up.
Dude, you're last. I hope you know that. I tagged this
Nah,
kid.
who stole my gun?
Oh,
Why are
okay.
you saying he's
And-
bad?
Ooh,
That's not
I
nice.
thought you stole
I didn't
my
say
gun,
that. I
buddy.
said he said
Oh,
himself,
someone else
I'm
did.
bad.
Here,
He
here,
said
guys.
himself, I'm bad. I
Bro,
said,
Oh, yeah. I already know that. Oh, yo, you know, fun fact. The guy who made The Heart of the Sun is the same guy who made the Among Us community world unpopular right now.
you mean imposter?
Flip.
Yeah, same people.
You got
Both
this.
Yeah, he's really cool.
GYSZ.
Dude.
Yeah.
You'll you'll survive, right?
Oh, it's the tiger. Oh my god, it's a tiger.
I need Max.
Are you wrapping Christmas present?
Oh my god. I'm in. You wanna tag me?
Yes.
Okay, here. Thank you.
Wait, I'm already tagged. How did it even
Carter,
happen?
man, he's good.
I realized I'm tagged like 5 minutes after I was. I kind of want to make it.
And fish, my skin fish.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Some really fun games right now.
I don't need cotton.
I missed that. Oh, I missed that shot. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm
Never bring my sword to my Fibroski.
Excuse me? It's
That was so
oh, that's
mass. Oh my god. That guy just got yeeted.
Yo, who?
Oh, Zora.
Indeed, you must improve.
He's right behind me. I can feel it. Ooh, I'm back on the normal ground. Good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a tiger. Oh my god.
Holy Toledo, my liver.
Holy Toledo, man. Holy Toledo.
Bro.
Nah, so I was
jumped
here.
Trying to get caught. No!
I'm suing you.
Free pea sugar.
Trade.
Wanna see some aura? Yeah. Yeehaw. Right here?
But
Hello.
Hey. Oh. Hey man. You need some more cotton because the dailies. Oh yeah, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more content because there's nothing else to do right now. And ooh, Broski missed. Dude, what do you got wrong with me? What did I do? This guy's mad at me.
Oh, hey. Run,
Look at
run,
that.
run, 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 run. You're not safe.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna risk it, man.
I said
Baby. Hey. Oh, it's that guy. He can't even do nothing. Oh. Yo, ski, broski.
Hold on, pause. What are you doing here?
I'm not gonna go for you. I'm gonna go for this guy. Dang it! How did I mess that up? No, I got my controller.
Come here.
hell, it's jump on
I need this 50 buck points for my family.
Who's the last to live? Who's being trying to be alive? Oh, I think I know where they're at, people. I think down here. Wait, I think I know where they're at. Who's that? Anybody in here? No.
I'm checking the underground pipe.
He's trying to do he's trying to last 3 seconds. Almost like 3.
little non-skibbity.
Where is he? I know he's trying to last 3 minutes.
Oh, the mobile guy can't be tagged, so it's just football helmet.
Yeah. Football. There you go. Well, what do you do?
Where's the football helmet who has not been tagged?
Come on, football helmet, man. Where are you? Well, what do you do? Do you have one of the brands?
Okay, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.